Hi, empty square. Empty square. Hi, empty square. I just got out the so I'm gonna be making slime again. See that green is my background. This time I'm gonna be making foundation slime because I'm super bored, so I'm gonna make some slime. So all you need for this slime is some Tide, a mixing bowl, some glue, and that's what you need. And that's the next one. I need to go to my making tool right now. So I'm gonna be using this spoon right here, but I'm not gonna be using this right here. It'll have slime on it. I'm gonna be using this. So that's all we need for this one, and I'm gonna show you the color because I don't use different color in. But you can make this color at home if you want to. We're gonna get every last drop out this bottle of glue. So yeah. I'm just gonna drop out the glue right now. Ugh. Here's more. Shh. I'm gonna take the bottle away for a second. Now I'm back into the colors. I put a little stuff in it in my perfume. In my bowl. Let's go do the rail. This is called my chocolate slime that I make. Light. No, what time is it? It's time for activating. What time is it? I've got a little. You got a little. So it was activated. It's turned into slime. Slime. We mix the slime. We mix slime. We mix the slime. So we mix it, we make it. If y'all want me to start selling slime, comment down below. If y'all want me to start selling slime, yep. And I would do shit. Just comment section and like still says so. So yeah. It's sticky. I feel like it's sticky. Okay. It's real sticky. It's dry. My eyes are getting watery. Sprinkle a little. It just came out alive. Oh. But it's still slime. Y'all never play with time because it always tricking you instead like it's so bad to play with it. This is a chocolate.